What is Bitcoin? Explained in simple terms. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're breaking down Bitcoin in a way that's easy to understand. By the end of this video, you'll know what Bitcoin is, how it works, and how you can get involved. Let's dive in. Bitcoin, often referred to as BTC, is a type of cryptocurrency. Think of it as digital money that you can use to buy things or make payments online. Unlike traditional money, Bitcoin isn't controlled by any government or bank. Instead, it operates on a technology called blockchain. Bitcoin was introduced in 2009 by an anonymous person or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, it has become the most well-known cryptocurrency in the world. Its popularity has led to the creation of many other cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin was launched in 2009 and is the largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Decentralization. Unlike traditional money, Bitcoin is created, traded, and stored using a decentralized system called a blockchain. Bitcoin transactions are verified by a network of users, making it secure and transparent. You can buy Bitcoin on various cryptocurrency exchanges. Bitcoin's value can be very volatile, experiencing rapid increases and decreases in price. How Bitcoin works. The origin. In 2008, the domain bitcoin.org was registered. Satoshi Nakamoto announced the concept of Bitcoin on a cryptography mailing list, sharing a white paper that explained how Bitcoin would work. First block. On January 3rd, 2009, the first Bitcoin block, known as the Genesis block, was mined. This block contained a message hinting at the financial instability of the time. Mining rewards. Initially, miners received 50 Bitcoins for each block they mined. Over time, this reward halves approximately every 4 years. As of 2024, the reward is 3.125 Bitcoins per block. Denominations. One Bitcoin can be divided into 100 million smaller units called Satoshis. Blockchain technology. The blockchain is a public ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions. Each block in the blockchain contains transaction data and links to the previous block, creating a secure chain. How to mine Bitcoin mining. Bitcoin involves solving complex mathematical problems to add new blocks to the blockchain. Here are your options for mining. 1. Using your computer. You can mine with a personal computer, but the chances of success are very low due to high competition. 2. ASIC miners. These are specialized machines designed for mining. They are much more powerful but also expensive. Joining a mining pool. To improve your chances of earning Bitcoin, you can join a mining pool where you share computing power and split the rewards. How to buy Bitcoin. If mining isn't for you, you can buy Bitcoin on cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase. Here's how. 1. Create an account. Sign up on a cryptocurrency exchange. 2. Fund your account. Use your bank account, credit card, or debit card to add money. 3. Buy Bitcoin. Purchase Bitcoin using the funds in your account. You can buy fractions of a Bitcoin if you don't want to buy a whole one. Using Bitcoin. Bitcoin was originally created as a peer-to-peer payment method. Today, it has several uses. 1. Payment. Many merchants accept Bitcoin for goods and services. Transactions can be made using a cryptocurrency wallet, which holds your private keys. 2. Investing and speculating. Bitcoin has attracted many investors. You can buy and hold Bitcoin as a long-term investment or trade it for short-term gains. Risks of investing in Bitcoin. Bitcoin can be a high-risk investment due to its volatility. Here are some risks to consider. 1. Regulatory risk. Changes in government regulations can impact Bitcoin's value. 2. Security risk. Exchanges can be hacked and Bitcoin transactions are irreversible. 3. Market risk. Bitcoin prices can fluctuate wildly based on market demand and news events. Regulation. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to regulate Bitcoin. In the US, Bitcoin is not classified as a security, but this could change. The European Union has started implementing regulations, while countries like India have taken a stricter stance. How long does it take to mine one Bitcoin? On average, it takes about 10 minutes to mine one block, which currently rewards 3.1125 Bitcoins. Is Bitcoin a good investment? Bitcoin's value is highly volatile, so it's important to consider your financial situation and risk tolerance. Consulting with a financial advisor is recommended. How does Bitcoin make money? Bitcoin miners earn rewards for validating transactions. Additionally, you can trade Bitcoin on exchanges for profit. How many Bitcoins are left? As of mid-2024, about 19.7 million Bitcoins have been mined, with roughly 1.3 million left to be mined. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency and remains the most popular. While mining can be complex, buying and investing in Bitcoin is straightforward. As with any investment, it's crucial to do your research and understand the risks involved. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.